Hey guys, this is Royden with Tech2 and today we'll be reviewing the JBL Pulse. And its name gives you a slight hint of what the speaker's primary party piece is. NFC Bluetooth speakers are gaining in popularity as the easy-to-pair standard has now penetrated most smartphones across segments. The Pulse has a solid build and the rubber lining along the top and the bottom keeps it planted on most surfaces. On the top we have a button for power and volume, as well as a bunch of other touch-sensitive buttons for changing the color of the lights, the intensity and the pattern. The Pulse can also be placed horizontally on its belly, and over here we have the auxiliary in micro USB port for charging and also an LED indicator to show you the charging status. The metal shroud surrounding the Pulse protects the two 40mm full-range drivers and a base port. There's also a built-in amp. You get Bluetooth and NFC support and a rechargeable battery that promises about 5 hours of music playback with the light show. The Pulse sounds good when paired with a good audio source, but lacks the slam of low frequency sounds. The highs and mid-range are reproduced well enough to fill up a small room, but the bass lacks punch. Also, the audio tends to get a bit muddy at very high volumes. However, its main party piece is the light show, and you have a whole bunch of options for cycling through different patterns and colors. It's all fun and good, but after a while it's not very entertaining. The light doesn't really spread outwards too much, so if you thought you could turn your room into a sort of a discotheque, you'll be a bit disappointed. The JBL Pulse is priced at Rs 14,999, which is a bit too pricey for what's essentially a pretty average sounding Bluetooth speaker with some lights. Other features such as the built-in microphone and the ability to pair more than one device at a time are also missing from the speaker in this price range.